It's another unboxing day. We got 2 boxes from B&H today, and we got lots of batteries apparently because we got the battery icon on there. So I think I know what these are, but let's open them up and take a look. Packing slip over here. We got small bubble wrap. You know, we just think there's there. More small bubble wrap. Big bubbles. I really hate how wasteful this all is, because you can't recycle it. And here we go. First, we have a very small, I got a bag here, micro SD. This is a 256 gig micro SD card. SanDisk, this is a U3 class 10, V30, all that stuff, because it's gonna go with the DJI Mini 3. There we go. The Fly More package comes with the case, the controller with the built-in screen there. We got extra batteries and props and all that stuff. So this is for a student project actually, and maybe I'll do another video just on this right here. Let's get that box out of here. Box number 2. Little hole on the side there. Probably not a big deal. Come on. Got green. Got inst. Just get rid of those. Get rid of those. My garbage bin is now full of bubble wrap. And let's see what we got here. Oh boy. We got lots of components because we bought a couple kits and the kits came with different things. So, first of all, each one has a rugged case. So we have rugged cases. This is the AVC G2B case for GoPro cameras. Guess what we got in here? That's right. We have somewhere, because we have accessories, right? Bought extra batteries. So we got 4 extra batteries here because I like to buy extra batteries. There are also, so I got cases. I got some of those. Let's put those over here. This is why my office always becomes a mess, because it all goes somewhere. We got the head straps. 1, 2, should be 3 of those. So when we have more batteries. So I bought a total of, there's 6 batteries altogether. So each one came with a battery, plus I bought an extra battery for each kit. So there we go. Stack those up. Plus we got some chesties. The only thing I know about one of these. One chesty strap, which is cool. Then we have SD cards to go with them. So they came with the Lexar 128 gig V30 U3 A2s, 1606 times micro SDXC UHS1, the silver series. 120 megabits a second for write and 160 megabytes a second for read. That's pretty good. All right, so we got those. And then we also have handles for the GoPros. So we got handles to go with them. Boom, boom, boom. We got 3 of those because we got 3 kits. And then finally, the GoPros themselves. And these are the 12 black. So we have 3 of these. So this is, keep these all in the box here because I got to put these kits together now. So this is, we'll do a video just on these. But that's what I got today for B&H. I got 3 of these GoPro kits, and we have the DJI Mini 3 Fly More pack. Look, it's remarkable. This is a drone and its accessories in this tiny little kit. Right back there in the corner, there's my Unique. That's a hectocopter. So it's got 6 propellers on it. That thing is massive. The controller is bigger than this box. But that, you know, does a lot better in higher wind and all that stuff. But for travel around, these things are amazing. So that's our fun box today from B&H. Stay tuned for the next one.